Hello everyone. This is Dr. B. Ranganath, chemistry mentor, IIT NEET faculty. Students, today I am going to discuss about ZMain 2022 highlights. That means how to apply online. Students, so many students are confused how to apply in the ZMain examination in online. So how much fee? So how many papers? How many shifts? So these are all are confusing. So that's why your confused will be cleared in this session. I hope you everyone cleared about this after watching my video. Okay, students, maybe December third week ending already. So came third week. So maybe in fourth week, in this fourth week, 25th onwards, will release shortly notification for Z main January phase. Okay, so well, can I continue this? Z mean 2021-22 highlights. What are the highlights of this? So here, exam name is Joint Entrance Examination. Means none. Joint Entrance Examination means or Z mean. J means Joint Entrance Examination. So this is mode of exam computed based test for BE, BTech, Bachelor of Architect, B Planning. So pen and paper based for drawing session in B Bachelor of Architect. No. So drawing session also available. So how much duration per exam? 3 hours for BTech and Bachelor of Architect, B Planning. 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours for Bachelor of Architect and B Planning. Both none. So not only one, both for B Tech, sorry, B Architect and B Planning. 3.5 hours. So exam frequency 4 times a year, like February, March, April, May session. So for February session, the notification will be released in this month ending shortly. Soon, definitely. Okay. So how many members are total registration per year? Total around 9 lakhs will be registered now. Every year, more than 9 lakhs. So official website is gmain.nta.nic.in. NTA means National Testing Agency. So Z means exam will be conducted by NTA. So go to the website, that is gmain.nta.nic.in. How many papers? Paper 1 will be BTech and B. Paper 2A means for Bachelor of Architect, and paper 2B for B Planning. And total marks for BTech is 300 only. 300 marks for Bachelor of Technical, Bachelor of Engineering B and BTech, and B Arc and B Planning for 400 marks. 100 marks more compared to B and BTech. So total questions, how many questions in BE BTech? 90 questions, Nana. 90 questions in BE BTech, and B archaeological means architect 82 and B planning is 105. So marking scheme, already explained marking scheme for correct options for plus 4 marks and negative for 1 mark for unattempted questions. No, not answered, that means no marks, no negative marking for non-multiple questions like numerical value based questions, Nana. Numerical value based questions for no negative marking. Okay, so this is the brief introduction. So what are the examinations like February, next March, April, May? For February session, the notification will be released on December ending. So this is a release date of examination JEE Main 2022 application, maybe third week. So already third week is completed, maybe fourth week, Nana. So for March session, March first week will be released. For April session, March fourth week. Next for May, May first week will be released. Okay, so this is the So last date of apply in minimum 1 month for period January first week for February session, March first week for March session, April first week for April exam, and next May second week for May examination. So last day to pay an applicable fee. So fee also it will be clearly mentioned January phase, February phase for January, March and April phase and May phase. And next JEE Main 2022 application form correction data. For example, if some students are mistaken in doing the applying the examination, so that's why the correction date also given some date. It will be January 1st last week of this for February session, and remaining sessions will be. And next JEE Main 2022 admit card release date for February exam date. February second week will be released an admit card in the website. Okay, jemain.nta.nic.in. Okay, and next Jmain 2022 exam dates. Exam date mostly February for February session, March for March session, April for April last week, and May exam date is May last week. Okay, so this is the brief introduction for examination. What are the academic criteria? What are the qualifications to applying the JEE Mains exams? The candidate should have passed the +2 or equivalent qualifying exam in the year 2020 or 2021. Those who will be appearing in the year 2022 are also eligible now. For example, you are applying for the appearing for the examination 2022. So you are also eligible for this examination. Okay, and next, what is the eligibility for admission into NITs and IITs? Okay, so the applicants who have passed the class 12th exam with at least 75% marks. This is must and should for entering into the JEE Mains examination. The applicants who have passed the class 12th exam with at least 75% or be in the top 20% of their respective boards with the subject combination as follows are eligible. So for B and B Tech, what are the subject requirements? So passed 10+2 examination with physics and mathematics as compulsory subjects, along with one of the chemistry and biotechnology, and next biology technical. Okay, at vocational subjects also. So this is the qualifications for BE BTech. And what are the qualifications for Bachelor of Architect and B Planning? So passed must and should be 10+2 examination with mathematics as a compulsory subject. Okay, so these are the eligibility criteria for admission into NITs and IITs. And next step is JEE Main 2022 application form. The NTA is expected to release the JEE Main application from in the December, not third and second week, Nana. Maybe fourth week will be released in this February session. Application form will be available only in online mode on the official website only. That website is jemain.nta.nic.in. Okay, and next steps to fill JEE Main 2022 application form. What are the steps? You're going to the applying of JEE Mains, Nana. Before entering into the on system, before entering to the internet. Okay, before entering into the applying of examination, you should follow the steps. Candidates are required to follow the below steps to fill the JEE Main application form. Visit the official website for the JEE Main or NTA. Click on fill JEE Main 2022 application form. So fill the online application form carefully with the correct information only. So be ready with the scanned photograph. Must and should one you can so keep it scanned photograph, signature and left thumb impression required to be uploaded while filling the application form. Pay the required application fee after entering all the details. So take the printout, the filled application form for the future reference. Okay, so application fee, what are the, so depending upon the category, Nana. So for B Tech and B Architect and B Planning, 650 for boys and 325 for girls. For general and OBC candidates only. Here for SC, ST and PW candidates and transgenders, 325 for boys and 325 for girls. Okay, so this is the steps. And next, for example, uh, BE, BTech and B archaeological paper. And next are BE, BTech or B planning, are both B planning and B architect. So what are the fees of a general category and OBC category? 1300 for boys, 650 for girls. So here for SC, ST, 350 only for boys and girls. This is the fees instructions. So next, JEE Main 2022 exam pattern. So already explained in previous video for clearly. So how many marks, how many questions you attempted. So how many questions are given in examination point of view. Just briefly, we will explain. So candidates must be aware of the JEE Main 2022 exam pattern. Students have to prepare according to the exam pattern and JEE main syllabus of the exam. There will be three papers, paper 1, paper 2A and paper 2B. So keep following the JEE main exam pattern below. So here subjects in paper 1 BTech, mathematics, physics and chemistry. So here section A in 20, section B is 10 questions. How many questions you attempted? Already explained, total 90 questions. Okay, so here each subject will have two sessions. Section A will be multiple choice question and section B will be numerical based questions. Nana. In section B, candidates have attempted any 5 out of 10. Nana. Therefore, 25 questions out of 30 only. Okay, so this is paper 1. And next, paper 2A. So for the mathematics and aptitude test and drawing test, how many questions are given in section A? 20, 50, 02 for drawing, and section B, 1 out of 20, we can attempt 10. So part A will have two sessions. Session A will be multiple choice questions, same like paper A. Paper 1, section B will be questions whose answer are able to fill in as numerical value. In section B, candidates have to attempt any 5 questions out of 10. So here there will be no negative marking for section B. Total 82 questions. And next, JEE Main 2022 exam pattern for paper 2B. So what are the paper 2B? What are the subjects in mathematics paper 1? Aptitude test part 2 and planning based questions now 25 questions and 20 and 50 for aptitude. So you can attempt 10. So here part 1 will have two sessions like paper 2A. Session A will be of multiple choice questions, MCQs, and session B will be contain questions whose answer are to be filled in a numerical value session. In section B, candidates have to attempt any 5 questions out of 10. There will be no negative marking for section B. So this is the how to applying the JEE main examination. Okay, so how to fill the application form, what are the requirements, okay, and next what are the subjects involved in this, how many papers conducted per year, okay, how many phases, how many shifts, okay. This is the brief details about JEE main 2022 exam pattern for paper 2B. So thank you students, please subscribe and share. Okay, thank you, Nana.